welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: making a small living room look bigger. Let's explore 6 easy and effective ways to create the illusion of more space. Let's get started. 1. Declutter and minimalism. First up, declutter and embrace minimalism. A cluttered room can feel cramped and chaotic, so it's crucial to keep things tidy. Opt for multifunctional furniture, like a coffee table with storage or a sofa bed. This way, you can keep your essentials without overcrowding the space. 2. Light colors and monochromatic schemes. Next, let's talk about colors. Light, neutral shades can make a room feel more open and airy. Whites, creams, and light grays are excellent choices. A monochromatic color scheme can also help by creating a seamless, continuous look that visually expands the space. 3. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors are a small room's best friend. They reflect light and create the illusion of depth, making your living room appear larger. Place a large mirror on one of the walls or incorporate furniture with reflective surfaces like glass or metallic finishes. 4. Vertical space and tall furniture. Don't forget to use your vertical space. Tall bookshelves, floor-to-ceiling curtains, and vertical artwork draw the eye upward, giving the impression of a higher ceiling and a more spacious room. This trick helps make the most of your available space. 5. Smart lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in making a room look bigger. Natural light is ideal, so keep window treatments light and airy. For artificial lighting, use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Recessed lighting or wall sconces can free up floor space, too. 6. Furniture arrangement and open pathways. Last but not least, consider your furniture arrangement. Keep pathways clear to avoid a cramped feeling. Floating furniture away from the walls can create a sense of space, and arranging pieces at an angle can make the room feel less boxy. Experiment to find the layout that works best for you. And there you have it, 6 ways to make your living room look bigger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more decorating tips, and ring the notification bell to stay updated.